Hello guys, welcome back to the videos of SeekerTube. So from this video I'm going to give you a general introduction about the Telegram application, and I'm going to explain you this Telegram application through desktop Telegram software, and the mobile version is actually the same. So first of all, search in Google Telegram desktop and you will reach this website, desktop.telegram.org, and I will insert that link in my video description. You can download the application from this website, and if you are not using Windows, there are options for other Mac OS, Linux and Linux 32, everything. So download the Windows version, and it's a very small application, only 19 megabyte, and I have already downloaded, so I cancel the downloadation. And you can select the language here, so I will select English. Okay, and you can select the location to install the software from here and press OK, then press next, and after that you can name it as you want to a certain folder, and after that click install. So I'm cancelling this as I have already installed this application. So after installation, they will ask for a mobile number, and put the mobile number with the country code, and they will send a verification message. Just put that pin and you can open the Telegram application. So now we are here. So you can see how Telegram desktop application opens, and there are a lot of groups and channels, and there are so many options we can do in Telegram. Very useful application. And first of all, let's see what we have to edit here. First, click the menu on top left corner and go to edit profile, and you can set the profile picture here as you need and change your name. So this username is the visible username for the other users. You can put two names, and this is the telephone number, and there is another username there. So that username is also called the Telegram ID. So there is a certain link too, so one can reach you through this link, that's called the profile link, or someone can reach you through the Telegram ID too. So this is the phone number which you have to sign up, and there is the option you can insert a certain bio about yourself here. So that's all in profile section. And when considering notification, you can manage the desktop notification from here. Play sounds, include message chats, unread counts, and everything can be managed through this here. You just have to click them, and from down section you can manage the display of those notifications. You can manage the queue 1, 2, 3, 4 or other 5 notifications at a time. And when considering privacy and security, you can there see the blocked users, and you can change the every settings about the chatting and everything from privacy and security. And you can enable two-step verification, very important setting. You can put extra password to add an extra protection for your Telegram account, and also you can enter a recovery email. So it's useful when your account get blocked or hacked by someone. You can recover the account through that. And there is option you can delete your account from there too. So when considering the other settings, we can see that chat settings, you can change the themes in chats and select the backgrounds, and everything is possible very easily. You can change every settings here, and you can select, there's another option, you can select the language of chatting here, and interface Excel logo also selectable from here. So when considering the Telegram application, we can use it as a method of communication with our contacts, and also keeping communities. So this is a Telegram groups, and there are also Telegram channels, something like Facebook pages. So they are sharing their information, we can follow and take that information. And this is very equal to Telegram group is very equal to a WhatsApp group or Viber group. It's also a community, so people can chat and share, exchange their ideas as a team. So when considering this is a Telegram channel, so there are the number of members are displayed about under the name of that channel. So this is how actually so there, when clicking the settings section, we can see the admins of that channel, and there is a link. Anybody can go search through that link and follow that channel if they need. It's a public link. So when considering, you can keep any amount of groups, you can join any amount of group, you can follow any amount of channels, and you can chat with all your contacts, and there are no limitations. So it's a very significant method of communication. So when considering a personal contact, the name is displayed on the top right left corner, and when you click on it, you can see their personal information and his name, and we can turn on or off their notifications. That means when they message us, we can just turn on and off a notification, and we can clear their chat history if we need, or we can delete the whole conversation or block the certain user. So it's very helpful for our protection and keep our privacy. So, and at the same time, we can block the user from there, so it will be added to the blocked user list I showed you before. You can also unblock them again if you need. So these are the information, basic things you need to know about this Telegram application. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to comment in my video. I will answer you as soon as possible. So let's meet again with Seekers TV. Have a nice day. Thank you very much.